If you have a Bitcoin miner or a Dogecoin miner, big or small, this video probably interests you. It may not even be profitable to run your mining rig at current mining profitability with your current electricity rate. However, a new opportunity could completely change that. Maybe, just maybe, or better yet, hopefully. I'm Vosk, you're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be digging into Quai mining. What is Quai? How do you mine it? And surprisingly, you don't need some new shitcoin miner to do it. You can use an existing Bitcoin miner like an S21, an S19, or even a BitX Gamma. You could use a Dogecoin miner like an Antminer L9 or a Gold Shell Mini Doge. Oh, and they even support kawpow. Yeah, you haven't heard that one in a while, have you? Well, if you've got graphics cards that aren't too busy rendering AI, then maybe you need to get them hashing again. Here's how, and a little bit more on why. So at a quick glance on some mining profitability calculators, Quai is topping the charts. We look at ASICs and you see a whole lot of Quai going on and that freaking pinecone miner, which we've got a video coming on that, and it's just wait till you see it. And even if you have a graphics card that you for some reason still have and want to mine with, flip over to GPUs and their mining profitability, some of the best 24-hour yields, and less than that, come back to Quai mining on the kawpow mining algorithm. But we're going to focus on ASIC mining here today, but the premise is essentially the same. Let's look at the S21 Pro. So S21 Pro, and so I've been messing around with this a little bit the last few days since its launch, but the earnings are starting to stabilize. However, this still launched within 48 hours. By the time you watch this video, probably within 72 hours. So don't think that you're late. You're absolutely on the front end of this. I just wanted to get some more realistic number to create a proper video, because I don't want anyone feeling misled, like, oh, you're gonna make 50 bucks a day, and like that was true for maybe like 6 hours or something, right? So S21 Pro, common Bitcoin miner in this era, and that's what all the BitX Gammas are born out of. That's basically their mom, and S21 Pro. So 24-hour yield 504 or 694 coins respectively, 12, 16, realizing a profit of $8.45 at a 9-cent per kilowatt hour electricity rate. Right, so that is significantly more than if you were to just mine Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. Even based on mining now, with Bitcoin, you'd profit 127. If you want to shitcoin it up with BCH, you could be at 188. Either way, a far cry from what we're talking about. But remember I said it also supported script. So let's look at the Bitmain Antminer L9. 614, 1136 coins yielded. 14, or really revenue, $26, profit $19 after accounting for my 9-cent per hour electricity bill. Contrasting that with the data for script mining on Mining Now, triple mining, LTC, Bell, Doge, and Bell's honestly become irrelevant again, no surprise there. But basically Dogecoin mining, $5.62 is what I'd actually profit over 24 hours after accounting for my ridiculous and constantly increasing electricity bill. Quai is a newer cryptocurrency, $16 million market cap at the time of recording this. Not very much, right? That's a very low cap coin in the grand scheme of things. You got projects that are mineable that trade at 16 billion. The upside is astronomical on that. We'll get there, well, that's a whole different story. So in the last 30 days, up 25%, F yeah. But in the last 3 months, it's down 43%. So it's actually down 94% from its tracked all-time high, but that was early in launch. It's hard to compare that data. The two main cryptocurrency exchanges right now for Quai trading would be Mexi as well as XT. Here's the exciting news though. On the horizon for a cryptocurrency listing at an exchange you would actually want to use, Kraken, there lies Quai. So obviously these crypto exchanges can create an address for you. You're going to need that for mining. That's the main reason I'm bringing this up, and just a bit of information and background. You want to generate your own address? This is an officially recommended and endorsed per Quai. They sent this to us. They also supported us in today's video. So huge shout out to Quai for making today's content possible and helping us just make the best videos we can all day, every day for going on nearly a decade now. It's crazy that VoskCoin's approaching 10 years. So we wouldn't be able to get there without our sponsors. So shout out to them. In addition to that wallet option, you may be more interested and more familiar with Tangem. Quai Network originated from a hardware wallet research project at the university in the great state, I may add, of Texas in 2019. It's a blockchain platform, not just some shitcoin meme token. You may have a Tangem wallet, update it, you can use it if you want one. I'll link it out in the video description below. There's only a few mining pools that support the basically revised version of Quai and Quai mining. So quickly after launch, 1,300 in protocol revenue, right? 12 hours. That put it above some major blockchains, which is cool to see and interesting. So I appreciate that post there. Quai posted that there was a 191 revenue increase, 155 yield increase, and the most profitable coin for all three algorithms that they launched on, which again is Bitcoin, Litecoin, /Dogecoin, and ravencoin there with SHA-256, Script, and kawpow respectively. I invite you to explore all the kawpow stuff. GPU mining without getting literally, truly, extremely lucky has been an awful investment for about half a decade now. And I've been telling you that here for about half a decade now.
We didn't listen! We didn't listen!
So you can explore kawpow GPU mining stuff on your own accord. I did boot up, try to, alphapool.tech, it's soap.alphapool.tech/start there, and the results were nothing short of disappointing. I tried again today. I flipped over some new miners on new addresses today, and let me explain that. While I was setting up this video, I flipped these miners over. Let's see what my marker says. About an hour ago. So basically, AlphaPool doesn't work. Don't use this pool. It won't register me. I've tried some different settings. There's only one worker on it. Stay away from AlphaPool if you don't want to waste your electricity. Because this is the crazy part. These miners are mining on their pool, but I don't know what's going on or where it's going. Look at that address, right? A95 is how it ends. Well, that's not how that one ends. Yeah. And I still have them running, as you can see, as I'm remoted into my mining farm, remoting into my mining rigs, that it's still connected there. It's still running. So I'll click over to settings. I'll copy and paste the CryptX pool. We've used CryptX before. I actually have a couple miners on CryptX right now. That pool's been fine for me. I'll save that and get my electricity back. I don't think it's malicious, but yeah, I'm literally getting scammed out of my electricity right now. But that's what happens when you use these amateur, hobby, rookie-ass pools. They don't have what it takes, and I'm not here to mess around with my business. As much as I love this stuff, it's a passion project, hobby grown into a business. My mining farm is not a joke to me. These bills that roll in, not a joke. So, pasted that, save. Click it over, dashboard, you can see that that is online there. One thing I do like about CryptX in particular, it updates pretty quickly on the pool side. For better or worse, they separate it by the algorithm, right? So this is Quai script. You can see I just did that, and it's already recognized it coming online. Here's a screenshot on screen with some longer term mining data. If we took this very small 1 hour sample size of mining profitability of unconfirmed balance here on the pool, you'll see that I gave it a positive buffer of 5 cents. That would total about $8.04 for 1 L9 projected over the next 24 hours. But again, this is really small sample size. I'll get some more data and update that. I've also had not only an L9 running the alpha mine that has not been working, but I've also had an S21 pointed there. So I'm gonna flip that back over right now and retrieve that and stop getting scammed on my electricity. SHA-256 CryptX pool is a prop 1% mining pool. The script is another prop pool there at 1%. 16 gigahash L9 per CryptX, estimated 24-hour revenue of $15. and then I take a 200 terahash S21, estimated revenue there of $10.30. Let's contrast that with what the Mining Now said. 926, right? More powerful miner, and this before electricity, all that. 15% more powerful and earning less income there. Then we look at the L9, 16 gigahash version, $13. So actually, in this case, it's projected to 16 gigahash on Cryptex mining profitability calculator comes in at about $15. So any way you slice it, right now, this is earning more than the alternative options. And I think that it's stabilized to a more realistic degree of the additional risk versus reward. It's not like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I made $100 with this miner that was only supposed to make $10 a day. There's also the fact it's a low cap coin, right? 16 million could literally, I'm not saying it will, it's not a show, but like it could go to $16 billion coin. It could go to 160 million. It could go to 1.6 billion, right? You have that huge upside. These other coins are not going to do that in the same time period, most likely, statistically impossible. However, everybody's going to want Bitcoin in 5 years. Will they still want Quai? Let's refresh this. So super quick, that came online. You can see that register there. I like that they show your actual miner model here too. Quick glance at the top miners at the time of recording this on Quai SHA-256. The biggest, baddest miner on their pool right now, 24 petahash a second, quickly scaling down. And you can be on this chart for the low price of just 250 terahash a second. Looking at script, we can see 1.6 terahash, right? Then 360, and then down here at the bottom, there's people with just one single L9 or maybe a couple L7s. So not a ton of hash, super early, very interesting development. Check out this chart. So in this example for mine blocks, 225 blocks across all their chains. Total revenue there, $16,000. 24-hour revenue, $14,000. 216 on Ravencoin, 1 Litecoin, 4 Dogecoin, 4 Bitcoin Cash. And you may be thinking, how does this even work? SOAP, Subsidized Open Market Acquisition Protocol, the SOAP upgrade. Quai network is mineable by SHA and Script ASICs. Previously, it was solely GPU mined with kawpow to multi-algo mine SHA, Script, and kawpow. They boast they'll always be more profitable because they're basically mining Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Doge, and Ravencoin here, and utilizing their sustainable, long-term, unique buyback mechanism, which is basically what the SOAP upgrade is. Their goal here is to neutralize the sell pressure, net neutral impact on token value, worst case scenario, positive pressure in other scenarios. Quai's blocks are exclusively authored by kawpow miners, right? It's basically running on the kawpow blockchain. No other algorithm creates Quai block other than kawpow. Look at it this way. You, and subsequently them, are mining Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Doge, whatever. That's how those found block rewards are relevant. And they're taking that and they're buying Quai, and then they're paying you out in their token. You're not mining their coin, getting paid in their coin, and then dumping their coin. You're mining these other crypto coins, getting paid in their coin, and their point of view is worst case scenario, you'd be dumping the coins that were already generated from the mining rewards of these other cryptocurrencies, not actually their chain. So what do you think about Quai? What to mine? Don't say that name too often anymore. They've got profitability calculators as well, tons of data out here. There's been a lot of building. Quai's connected to a lot of content creators. You'll see a huge Quai content push here right now. They're trying to level up their project, their chain. So you can put whatever numbers you want, get a breakdown here based on their data. And here is the final note for everyone who's incredible that watches through the majority of the video. This is something that's going to bug some people. Quai rewards are credited after block confirmations of 14 days. What do you think about that? What do you think about all this? Are you flipping over your gear to mine Quai? Do you think there's an upside? Or do you think this is just another shitcoin? I'm Vosk, you're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. This is our CDO, our Chief Dogecoin Officer here at VoskCoin. And we're in 10 seconds of tails on every video. I hope you enjoyed the content here. And it's worth subscribing to VoskCoin. Chasing 1 million subscribers. Well, I feel like we're running in place lately. I need your help. Good luck and goodbye. Remember, I'll link out everything you need down in the video description below. I hope you smash some blocks.